In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to crypto.com. Right now, we're here on the Coinbase app homepage, and since I don't have assets on this account, I won't be able to show you the complete sending form, but there are a few ways on how to do this. If you already have assets that you want to send from your Coinbase, simply tap on transfer, and as we can see here, we have 4 options. So just simply click on that send crypto button. If you're seeing connect to Coinbase wallet, if I tap on this, it means that I'm going to send from my Coinbase exchange to my Coinbase wallet. So what we actually have to do is to paste the address over here on the top. Otherwise, we can scan a QR code if you have a separate phone, but there is another way to do this. And let's go back to the homepage. We can do instead is to tap on the bottom right, and we can see top assets right here. We have XRP. Simply tap on that, and from here you can tap on the top right of the screen or the button transfer down below. If we tap transfer, we can hit send and it will bring us back to the screen. Now the next thing we have to do is to go over to our crypto.com app. So this is our homepage, and what we have to do is to go to the top left of the 3 lines icon, tap on the very top crypto wallet. You can scroll down or manually search for XRP. Simply tap on XRP, tap on transfer, and tap on deposit. That took a bit a while. Now we have to select the network. It can go through 2 networks, the default XRP or through Cronus. In this case, I will simply select XRP. This is one of the transactions that required a tag. So what we have to do is to copy the address, go back to Coinbase, paste from the clipboard, tap on the one down below, and as we can see, it has detected that it is an XRP transaction. Now we'll have to copy the tag. So we're here on the form. Once again, copy the tag or memo, paste it here on our Coinbase. Now, if we hit preview, it won't actually preview because I don't have the funds on the account, but only the address and the memo have to match, and you can expect to receive that on your XRP balance over in the crypto wallet on crypto.com. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.